Hello and welcome to Leaders of Tomorrow.
सूरत के बारे में देखो जी, हम पहले से जब नए नए आए थे तब बहुत कम इंडस्ट्री एरिया था और मार्केटिंग कम थी, दुकानें भी बहुत कम थी। अभी हज़ारों की तादाद में बन गया। कंपनी का जो जो विकास हुआ तो जो हमारा भी विकास, जो पहले कम मकान कच्चे थे, अभी यहाँ नौकरी करके फिर बाद में पक्का मकान बना लिया।
Ramdev's journey began at Narayan TexFab about 2 decades ago. It was then a family business that started out at Bhagalpur as a trading unit, but was transformed into a leading manufacturer of garment fabrics by Anand Khaitan. Today his son Akash is striding to create new benchmarks over his father's legacy.
After my 10th standard, I firmly decided that I'll be joining my dad's business. I saw my dad working so hard and he was very enthusiastic and still आज भी वो इतने enthusiastic and passion से work करते हैं, तो वो मेरी एक inspiration है. I got inspired and I thought of joining his business and take the business to a different height. I did my graduation from Cardiff University. तो वहाँ पे मैंने एक concept लिया था. It's called Poka Yoke. गलती से भी गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए. That's the system which I have adopted in Narayan Group, wherein my system, my workflow is designed in such a manner that even if a new person enters the organization, he shall be trained within 15 days and not even 16th day.
Narayan TexFab is inspired by India's rich cultural heritage and fuses it with modern women's wear. It brings together traditional colors and textures with contemporary styles and designs to suit the modern Indian woman. On the offer is an exclusive range of over 60 product varieties including polyester, crepe, georgette, chiffon, satin and many more.
In Narayan we have two brands. One is Narayan itself and second is Akash. Narayan is for upper segment and Akash, we've launched a brand called Akash that's for middle segment. The major chunk of our sales comes from Calcutta. Calcutta is a major hub for us. वैसे तो पंजाब है, Delhi है, Bombay है, but the major hub for hand embroidery is Calcutta. The market size of Calcutta is 250 crores plus.
Narayan TexFab is a complete B2B initiative that sells its products across India to retailers, wholesalers and bigger business houses. As the demand for their goods rose, the company decided to integrate its business backwards.
Akash basically was established in October 2003 and 8 years before Narayan को जितना माल चाहिए था उतना मिलता नहीं था. That's the reason Akash was formed, so that we can give a proper feeding and we can deliver the orders as per the lead time which is committed to the client. Akash is basically processing the synthetic dyed fabrics. The raw material flows in from Narayan. As you can see, हमारे पीछे जो भी माल पड़ा है वो grey है. That's the raw material for Narayan. यहाँ पे then the raw material is processed and gets converted into a dyed finished fabric, and then it's dispatched from here to Narayan, and from Narayan it's marketed pan-India.
Akash Dyeing and Printing Mills started with a small investment in 2003 and in a span of only 7 years the company has grown by leaps and bounds. It is an ISO 9001 certified unit with state-of-the-art equipment and manufacturing capabilities. What makes the company hold on to its leadership position is the stress on innovation and forward planning.
We want to double the production of this Akash Dyeing, so we are going to establish a new unit in nearby.
हम मार्केट में बेस्ट से बेस्ट क्वालिटी क्या दे सकते हैं उसकी तरफ हमारा पहले फोकस रहता है.
Today, Narayan TexFab and Akash Dyeing and Printing Mills together make over 50 crore rupees per annum and have created employment for over 350 people. The company hopes to become the world's leading manufacturer of women's synthetic textiles by 2020. And with the going rate, that target doesn't seem unrealistic.
मतलब our company's philosophy, especially the chairman's philosophy, is that हम लोग जो भी करें, we have to be the king in that particular segment. So our core strength is dyed synthetic women fabrics. तो इंडिया में and across the globe जो भी embroidery करते हैं, जो भी garment manufacturers हैं, whenever they think of their raw material, that is fabrics, they should come to Narayan. That's the reason we have to stick to our core strength and we have to take it to a different height.
Surat's development is in sync with that of Gujarat and India as a whole. It's an emerging geography where textile merchants generate 110 crore rupees per day and is powered by over 8 lakh power looms around the city.